Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to activate alarm on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, settings alarm for birthdays, anniversaries, holidays, or special event help you remember and celebrate important occasions. Alarms can serve as reminder to prepare for and commemorate significant moments in your life. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Firstly, open the clock app on your device and navigate to the alarm tab. So click on the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new alarm, and then set the desired time for the alarm here. After that, adjust the repeat settings from Sunday to Saturday or customize as needed. Click done. Okay, you can also enable the option to delete the alarm after it rings. And then adjust the alarm tone from the provided options, or you can add your own. After that, enter a label for your alarm here. After finishing, click done. And then select the option to snooze the alarm, choosing from the available options. Okay, and then decide whether to enable vibration when the alarm rings. So, click the check mark to save the alarm settings. Well, that's the tutorial on how to activate the alarm on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.